Hi everyone, it's Silvana from Reno and Decor, and I'm here to talk about the holiday issue and we're celebrating it in the Christmas house at the Canadian Tire here in Midtown, Yorkville, and it is like Christmas magic in here. Every room has a different theme, but it's all Christmas all the way. And I just thought it was the perfect venue to talk about the holiday issue, where our former editor, designer Jackie Glass, we featured her new home in the Niagara Escarpment, like total life imitating art here, because Jackie Glass's house is a house of glass with floor to ceiling windows, and voila, it's the same, except our backdrop isn't the Niagara Escarpment in her mid-century home with a very neutral palette, but with pops of glam everywhere. That room really resonates with the room we're in now, called Silver Bells. So very apropos, Jackie, you got the cover. Also, very appropriate in the next issue, we feature Jane Lockhart's client who lives in Oakville. She's a maritimer who loves Christmas. She's crazy about ornaments, and there's a Christmas tree in every room. That's how she justifies buying more ornaments. There's a room, there's a Christmas tree in it. And it was a perfect theme for our home find section, where you can soiree in style. I didn't do a gift guide this year. I focused on holiday entertaining. And the last page was on ornament overload, because I love Christmas. I'm a Christmas baby, and every year I buy more and more ornaments. So this year my pick was the Bottle Brush Hipster Penguin, and our art director Emily Simpson picked the Beaded Swan. A lot more graceful than mine. Mine is more quirky. And take a look at the back page. And the trend I featured is animal print, because let's face it, it's everywhere. I called it Call of the Wild, because basically there's leopards, cheetahs, tigers everywhere in every aspect of the home. And I am one of those people that has shied away from animal prints, but I'm thinking I'm going to give it a shot this year. So pick up a holiday issue, or you can read it online. Let me know what you think, and I just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, an amazing new year, new decade, 2020, here we come.